In a digital age, keeping our notes private is crucial. Let's explore how to stash those important messages securely. Messenger is a popular platform, but it can be risky for sensitive notes. Let's learn how to secure them. Start by opening your Messenger app. Navigate to your messages, where all your conversations reside. Select the thread containing the notes you want to hide. Tap and hold to find more options. Choose the archive option. This will hide your notes from prying eyes, but don't worry, they're safe. To retrieve your notes, just access your archived conversations anytime. Your secrets are now secured. Regularly review archived notes to keep your digital space tidy. Stay organized and safe. Remember, privacy is key. Always be mindful of what you share in any messaging app. By following these simple steps, you can ensure your important notes are hidden and secure. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more digital tips and tricks. Feel free to share this video with friends who need help keeping their notes secure on Messenger. Stay connected, stay safe, and enjoy your secure messaging experience.